Okay, if you're watching this video near April of 2019, you're going to have to go and download the Edge. So here's the place to get it. Now this is the United States one, but you go here and you download for the development channel. Later on it'll be available as just a regular install. Right now this is all the legal stuff, blah blah blah. You can read all that where you can download test versions. You can get marketing, whatever, but I'm just going to go ahead and say install, say close, and I'm going to run it. Now down here at the bottom I'm going to get in a security prompt that's telling me to go ahead and do that. You won't be able to see it, of course, because the capture program can't capture that. But here we are doing the install, and we're going to let this go. It's going to do the download first, and then once it checks it all out and everything, it's going to start doing the actual installation. So it's just finishing up here on the installation, and as promised, it launches a new version of Edge. The old version is still operating underneath. You notice up here it says default. Unless you want to do the new version as your default, don't click on that. So now that we have it installed, we want to go get some extensions. So if we go over here and you look down here in the menu, you'll see extensions here. And if you click on it, you'll see that it'll have a list of your installed extensions. Of course, we don't have any. It talks about going to the Microsoft Store, which is where you used to go to get to the old Edge. Now, there's some here. To tell the truth, I'm not sure if they're Edge, they're Chromium or not. They'll still work. But let's go over here and look down here, and it says allow installs from other stores. So we're going to enable that. Click on the allow because we want to do that. And instead of going to the Microsoft Store, we're going to open up another tab. We're going to go ahead and type in here Chrome extensions. And you'll see that we don't go to the Play Store, but we go to the Chrome Web Store. And if you click there, there's get more done, blah, blah, blah. But up at the top, there's extensions. And sure enough, here we are. We have a list of extensions. So let's look around a little bit here. The first one I'm going to look at is the LastPass free password manager because I use that on my Edge currently. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Add to Chrome because, again, that warning says it'll go ahead and install to Edge. So we say, yep, Add. Now you notice a little button has changed to it's checking. So it's making sure that the extension is installing correctly. And after it's done, it'll simply say, oh, all done, looks good. Let's go ahead and configure LastPass. I'm going to skip that and go back to the store and go in here and check on some other ones. One of the things you might like to do is click over here in the filter category, and you can see different types. And also, by the way, I have the 5-star ratings checked. Maybe it gets the best of them for you to look at. And you can go look through here and see if things that may be beneficial for you. Again, there's a lot of categories. You just click on the drop down and you click on whatever category interests you. Come down here and install that extension that you like. So I'm going to go down here to developer tools and take a look because that's the other thing I do. But you know, well, let's do one a little more general for the general guys out there. Let's look under news and weather. Oh, there's a stock watcher. Let's do that. And I don't know if it's any good or not. There's only 3,000 people using it, but it allows you, I guess, to set up some stocks. Again, so you do all that. You click on whatever prompt it is, and then we're going to go back. I'm going to close the window for that, and we're going to take a look at the first tab and looking up. There we are. We have both the extensions that we've put in, and that's how you install Chrome extensions on the new Microsoft Edge browser. Hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, and if you want to get more, just subscribe to Old Guy Geek. You can also follow me at Facebook or Twitter. The links to those are in the description of this video.